TikTok family. We are reporting from PCH Med Spa, and we are doing a Exceed micro channeling. That's it. There we go. So Suke is doing the micro channeling. This is very superficial, 0.5, no numbing needed. It just feels like a little tickle, and we speed up the rotation of the machine, so it's super comfortable. And this is not only a very easy treatment, meaning there's no downtime, but also it's a very good treatment. And she's just using hyaluronic acid, just to hydrate the tissue a little bit, and of course open the channels. And then afterwards I will show you the booster that we will put on the face, which is a combination of exosomes, growth factors, peptides, hyaluronic acid also, and also has a salmon DNA, okay? Also, aka salmon sperm booster that comes from the salmon, and of course other fishes also sometimes. But it's basically a salmon, or it's a DNA, piece of DNA that helps you heal quicker and boost collagen, okay? So we started with the forehead here. Now, as you can see, the skin is just slowly turning red, okay? So she's applying this serum now on my cheeks. If you have any questions regarding these treatments, ask me anytime, because I'm watching the responses and all your questions down here. Now she's doing a very nice circular motion, and always better to stretch the skin right there that she's doing. And it's going to be a little pinkish boost or pinkish discoloration of the skin, and that's all we need. You get this done here and there with the right healing boosters and collagen boosters, good things will happen to your skin, okay? So this is a very basic treatment, but it's the best version of it. Why? Because we are using a German microchanneling machine. It's got a higher technology of needles, and how they slide on your skin is just the right amount. It just goes for the superficial layer. That's what we do. Sometimes we do this as a priming. What that means, the first layer of skin is called stratum corneum, okay? The little horns of the right above the epidermis, right? And we bring patients in, if we can afford, to get them in one extra session before we do our lasers. And we do this treatment. And that kind of primes the skin and keeps the skin a little, starts the activation. And also we remove the stratum corneum, okay? Which is that little extra layer on the skin. Or the horns, the little horns, right? Stratum corneum. Corneum means horn. Stratum means layer. And then your skin will be more exposed. Your skin will be more receptive for, of course, treatments like cool laser, which is all dot machine, fractional endolift light scan, which is that little handpiece on top of my cool laser. If you're doing Morpheus, also your skin will become more responsive, okay? So this is priming. Also, we put the salmon booster. What does it mean? That the skin will get kind of activated and ready for your big treatment. Now see, this side she hasn't done, this side she's done. It's a little lifted, okay? And it's a light pinkish color, right? And hello everybody, thank you for all joining in. We have hundreds of people watching. This is Suke.
Hi.
Suke is my receptionist manager. Also, she tenders to all my Hispanic community here, because because we have lots of Hispanic folks that communicate with us. A lot of them speak only Spanish. Hablo español poquito también. And mucho gusto a todos. And yes, we also speak Spanish, speak Farsi, um, of course, and we speak some English as well. Is that microneedle, Don? No, this is micro channeling. This is micro channeling. It's a modern version of microneedling, very superficial. So I'm kind of priming my skin because I'm going to do a cool laser fractional next week. So I'm doing this to prime the skin and get the skin on its tiptoes and remove the little extra layer of the skin. So when I'm doing the laser can work better on my skin. Okay? So this is episode 1 of priming the skin, and then the boosters that we have is really interesting, and I'm going to show it to you. So this is Exceed microchanneling. It's 3 sessions for 1,000. We do it 3 weeks apart, 333 per session, 3 weeks apart, and we do 3 of them. So we are in Newport Beach. We also have a sister office in Fountain Hills, Arizona. This is the most basic treatment that we offer, right, Suke?
Yes.
But it's also one of the best.
Very beneficial.
Very beneficial because no downtime, zero pain. Havana, I'm sorry, we're not in Atlanta. I used to live there for my medical school at Morehouse and Emory and all that. But no, we are in Newport Beach. So just take a flight to John Wayne Airport. We're just 10 minutes away, or you can come to LAX and it's 45 minutes away, south. Can someone scar you with this treatment? Zero chance. This is just kind of removing the tip of the iceberg. On accident, can you create a scar? No. No, this is a very basic treatment. It's very, very safe. You don't need numbing. You can go to a wedding the same night. Like tonight, I'm going to go to maybe a dinner or something, and there's no downtime. That's what we're doing to show you. And happy Valentine, everybody. Now she's going to do a little bit of my nose, so you can see this you can do on all areas. And then we're just doing hyaluronic acid. Little ticklish there. So let's do the bridge of the nose now. There we go. She will rub the hyaluronic acid, and this will go in. I would love to fly there 3 times. I would have. So yeah, no. If you come from Atlanta, it's a great question. We may offer you this treatment with our Endolift package, So let's take a break. Let me answer this question. So, and show me that little box, the black box, the boosters right under the cannulas back there. So no, usually we do a bigger treatment on you because you're coming all the way, and we do the laser package, the Endolift, which will lift your skin and will contour your face. It's an amazing laser from Italy. We will do the cool laser, stamp the skin, and then sometimes I also do this complimentary to refresh your skin. Okay, that's microchanneling. Diana, thank you very much. And I wanted to show you, so we took a little break because this is the Lucy Exo. This is Exosome, but also has PDRN. Okay, so these guys, this is my favorite booster. Really, it's PDRN, glutathione, TXA, vitamin C, growth factors, peptides. It's got all of them. This Havana, the package usually starts at $5,000, and we combine all these different lasers, and you can get your microchanneling complimentary. If you're staying a couple of days, we will do this separately. We also get the red light therapy. So it's a great way to really kickstart the skin. But if you're local in California or Arizona, this is $1,000 that is the best expenditure for your face because you get a treatment 3 times with the boosters. And again, we use this very effective booster combo. Okay? All right, let's continue. Let's finish the around the eyes. Show them a little bit around the eyes because This is very good. So she's gonna pull my skin down. Yes, of course, we put the booster first. And she will pull my skin down all the way and do the under eye area. And of course, I can either look above, that's gonna help me have her under eye area exposed better. And we just need a quick round on this area because it's very sensitive, and it got red right away. And already looks good, right? Okay, so go ahead and rub it closer to the under eye area. All the way, good. She's gonna pull the skin down all the way, very nice and tight. This is for you also to learn how to do this treatment effectively if you're a provider, of course, but the trick here is the machine. It's a $5,000 microchanneling machine with the right boosters. Very good. Let's do this area a little bit more, the forehead, and we should be in good shape. See, what we do is, now if you guys look at me, the cheeks are nice and red, okay, but the forehead is lagging behind. So we're gonna do one more round and really get the skin. Also this area, the 11 area, she's gonna do for me right now, because see, it's kind of pale. So that's just a little cheat sheet that area is not treated as much. So she's gonna go over it and treat it. Any questions, guys? This is your last chance, but this is an amazing preliminary treatment to get your skin ready, primed. And of course, if we have the time to see you multiple times, we start with this session because this will cleanse the skin and gets on the skin on its tiptoes, so you'll be more receptive to other treatments. Even if you're doing a peel, if you're doing a Morpheus, all that, this will help prep the skin, prime the skin. We prime the skin. Priming is big. How many days I have to stay there? So if you're coming for the endolift, now check my page, PCH Med Spa. You will figure out what endolift is, but usually just 1 or 2 days. You can actually fly back the same day or just stay overnight if you're doing it just depends on how old you are. So call us for a consult. So we figure out, but 1 or 2 days is enough. You can of course stay longer and we'll get you more complimentary treatments, okay? That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. A lot of you here. Thank you, Suke.
Bye.
See you guys. Happy Valentine. Bye.